Give it up for Givian. Some people want it all. Damn, that was good. If I ain't got you, ni Givian. If I ain't got you. Siyempre, wala sa Spotify. Guys, oh my gosh. Long time no live. But, ... Hi, Ervin. Hi, guys. Hi, Chelsea 10. Hi, JNC2419. Hi, Arkvin. Anyway, grabe. Like, I am obsessed with the Adele concert. Guys. Fall apart. Face your broken heart. I'm trying to be brave. Stop asking me to stay. Grabe. Gusto ko manood. I will watch. Feels like we're ocean apart. So much space between us. Number 1 concert that I wanna watch, Taylor Swift. Number 2, Adele. Grabe, ang galing niya. Grabe. Changes. Damn, that's so good. That was so good. Anyway. Well, super pretty mo, Ate Shanika. Thank you, Bridget May. Invento ko yung ate. Walang ate talaga. Well, guys. Let's talk. You guys have any questions? Do you guys have any questions? Feel ko kumanta. What are the countries you've been to? Mostly Asian countries. Although I have been to Ireland, Northern Ireland, London, Turkey, and then like China, Hong Kong, Singapore, Malaysia, Thailand. Yeah. Hi, Raymond. Hi, Shafahardo. Are you into astrology? I actually stopped because I'm like, wala nang Luto Live dyan. Na-enjoy nyo ba yung Luto Live? Is it worth it to visit Turkey? Yes, definitely. I would want to visit again. Yeah, and do the stuff that I wasn't able to do. Well, the reason why we're on the live right now is because you guys are like my source of comfort, if I'm gonna be honest. Like, sometimes I just feel more comfortable talking to you guys because I can just like say anything and yun, like you guys wouldn't be able to respond. Did you visit Antalya? Yes, I did visit Antalya. It was actually where I went. But yeah, I remember your vlog with Ashley. Bakit may puking? Grabe. Sometimes when I look back in life, I can think of like ang dami na nangyari sa life ko. There have been so many lessons. Yung sa plane. Oh, Anyway, there have been so many lessons. There have been mistakes, regrets, and there have been so many good things and achievements that I have done. Like, I just look back now and the famous hot air... Oh, I wasn't able to go to the famous hot air balloon because the weather wasn't super good when I went. Kanta live ang type ng live ngayon. Yes, medyo. I'm in my Adele era. I'm trying to be brave. Why don't you go back to flying? Ayoko pa eh. Next year na. I don't wanna force myself because I know that if I continue flying, I will be sacrificing a lot of things. Like, I don't wanna be an irresponsible businesswoman. Like, nag-open ako ng mga businesses. And I can't just drop them because flying is no joke. It's time-consuming. I personally don't think I can do it with something else. Like, imagine being a lawyer. Like, how can you juggle two things at once? So, I told myself this year, I am gonna do everything I want to do under the sun, and then, like, next year, I should continue flying. Like, one at a time. Hindi pwedeng laban lang ng laban. Kailangan strategy. I'm trying to be... How long you stayed there? 2 weeks. Stop asking me. There's so much space between us. Not gonna lie, though, I have been feeling a little bit sentimental these days. Like, I feel like I watched this show. It was anong show to? Yung kay Colleen Hoover. It Ends With Us. It's a little bit like traumatizing, especially if you've read the book. So yeah. I'm on my like low days these days. Are you not ready to be in a relationship again? For sure there are suitors. No, I don't think I am. Like, I don't think I can ever. I'm not ready anytime soon. It's too much emotions. Like, there's so many good feelings involved. Like, you get to love somebody, you get to share memories, you get to like be happy in a way that you can't like receive happiness on your own kasi may other person. You plan to take ATPL, yes po. But right now, it's too much responsibility. Ikaw ba yung Aww. Hi, Yuseline. Thank you for the drawing. I don't know. Right now, I don't think as well I'm in a place where I'm capable of putting somebody else first. Like, first. And prioritizing somebody more than I'll prioritize myself, honestly. I'm in that place. And I don't think it's a bad thing. It sounds a little bit selfish, but it is what it is. I'm just telling the truth. I think I also need to focus on myself. And ang dami kong ginagawa right now. Ang dami kong gustong ma-achieve within the next few months. Like, less than a year. Like, I'm on a timeline. I'm on my self-improvement, self-development. And there are like, I've opened already one project, yung Staples. 2 projects. Yung isa, yung Airbnb. May Airbnb na ako ngayon. So happy. And I want to open, yung isa on the process. I wanna reopen Moon Beauty, but different brand. Pasimple yung aso ko, umaakit dito. And then, like, rebrand. That's on the process right now. And I also wanna... I actually shouldn't be saying my plans. Okay, shut up na ako. Are you planning to buy your own house or condo anytime soon? I actually just bought one. Not house, condo. Pinapa-Airbnb ko siya ngayon. Dream ko pumunta ng Tomorrowland. Guys, alam niyo ba, linalaman ako ng Dress to Impress. As in, it's so unhealthy. I should stop. Anyway, medyo mabigat yung chest ko lately. Hindi literally. Like, I don't know, I feel like now that I'm an adult, I feel more of the pressures of life, and like, as much as I don't want to believe that time is ticking, mas nafe-feel ko yung importance ng time now that I'm an adult. Like, yeah, I don't know if you guys feel that way too. What do you guys think? Comment naman kayo. Okay, ako na lang magtatanong sa inyo. Okay, guys, do you think when you love somebody, like in the future, we're not talking about now, do you think that you should love them 100%, or you should put a boundary for yourself? What is your answer? Anong answer natin? Okay, walang sasagot. Sige, fine. 100%. Sabi niya, let's be realistic here. Put a boundary because you'll never know if they'll leave or not. Okay. So, feel ko, as time passes by, mag-grow talaga yung love mo sa tao, but still need mo pa rin magtira sa sarili mo. Nagtatad pa po. Okay. So, another question is, sabi niya, put a boundary because you'll never know if they'll leave or not. Okay. As time goes on ba, do you, let's say you start with, I don't know, you start with 50%. As time goes on ba, that's when you put 100%? The guy should love you more. Yeah, that's actually the safest. I always hear that the guy should love you more, the guy should love you more. A relationship will not work if the guy doesn't love you more. But honestly, like, ang sarap ng feeling ng if a guy loves you more, but at the same time, I feel like I would want us to love each other and keep like loving each other, ganon. Like, will it work if 50-50 you both love each other equally? Will that work? You gotta have trust and faith in your relationship. Yeah. I'm trying. If na-feel mo naman na genuine yung love na binibigay sa'yo and you see na they really put effort to be brave. Walang percent po ha. Dapat balance lang. You give, you take din. It's not about who loves you more or the other person who loves you more. Love works if you have proper communication and trust. Yeah, sometimes it's rough when like you've learned the lessons, so now you're capable of giving proper communication, and then like you're faced with someone who hasn't learned them yet, and like what do you do then? Do you let them go because like they're bad? They haven't learned it? Because like, I don't know. Ano pa gusto mong tanong sa amin? For real, for real. Basta ako, I am practicing healthy communication, and I am just not a fan of like anything that isn't healthy. Sobrang nag-stick sa akin yung quote dun sa movie na It Ends With Us. It says na we break the patterns before the patterns break us. Like, imagine niyo, like, for sure, lahat tayo, we all have, like, childhood traumas, or even, like, relationship traumas, or traumas that, like, we just, you know, we just probably got from experiences. So, like, ang hirap mag-break ng patterns. Sabi nga nila, it is very, very rare for a person to change, especially yung mga like avoidant or narcissistic characteristics. But like it would take so much dedication, effort for a person like that to change. And for even just for a regular person, like to break their habits. Pero alam nyo, I'm 27 now. And I can proudly say I'm not the same person that I was before. Pero totoo yung sinabi nila rin na change is not linear. I would say na I have overcome some of my bad habits, but I have also developed different habits as well na I don't think na I need to change. Parang there are new things that I need to change now. Kasi nga, like I said earlier, like we also get trauma from experiences. So some of the things that like weren't an issue for me before, they're an issue for me now. So like, it's just like a never-ending cycle of improvement. Yun lang. I'm trying to be brave. Stop. Do you like someone at the moment? I'm trying to date at the moment, but I don't think I like somebody at the moment. I like myself, I like my dog, but I feel like it would take a lot for me to like somebody because, and not because of, like, just because I'm more cautious now. Love is easy. Everyone can love and find love. Respecting each other is what that holds it down. Love is easy. Expectations are hard. Because like you can love somebody and like love them from afar. But that's usually not the case. People always want something in exchange of the love that they give. Like, people always end up expecting. So that's what's hard. Hey, Jimmy White. Hey, Ant14 Man. I'm an old friend of yours. Really? Stop being so down. Let's get some shawarma. Mag-antay ka, Jimmy. Nagmo-moment pa si Madam. Ang funny ni Arvin. Uy, Arvin, ang funny mo. Kasi totoo, nagmo-moment pa ako. I have something to cheer you up. Ano na naman? Titi ba yan? Ay, minsan ang babastos nila eh. Joke lang. Practice makes perfect. So, don't practice. Shani, kapag naalala mo to, magaling ka. God's gift, my G. Recommend some club around BGC. Honestly, the private parties are way better. Like, nung Saturday, may party unknown. Inumaga yung mga tao. And then, may napuntahan akong Brazilian party dito. The white party and the black party. Yun yung mga sobrang saya na inuumaga ako. Pero anything else, like, no, the party's just gonna be good if you have good company with you. I'm not down. Jimmy White, I'm not down. Kanta ulit tayo. Gusto ko yung same song. Guys, let's sing together. Like, sing kayo dyan. Paparinig ko muna sa inyo. Grabe, ang galing ni Adele. Wow. Wow. You can really dance. Wow. You can really... I don't know if I get snow. Fall apart. Face your breaking heart. I'm trying to be brave. Stop asking me to stay. Guys, galing niya. Changes. Good to see you again, my crushy lady pilot. Ang galing mo, ate ko. Much space between us. Galing. Sino lima si Senti dito? Yeah, yeah, everything changing. Wow. 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 Ang galing. You know what? Kaya gusto kita because you're not ignoring me every time naka-live ka since day one. Do you remember eating at Mang Larry's UP? Fuck! Naaalala ko to. I just forgot. Anyway. We were with friends and your sister Doha was really fun. Anong naaalala mo? Si Kuyang si Jimmy White, naaalala ko siya, ayoko lang i-discuss right now. Anyway, grabe. Galing ni Adele. Bakit siya ganun? Parang gusto ko siya mapanood. Fuck. Alam nyo, a part of me is like thinking and questioning. Ano kaya yung sa yung BGC one time, I want to approach you but ang bilis mo maglakad. Oh my God, sobrang bilis ko nga talaga maglakad. As in, laging sinasabi ng yaya ko yan. Ang bilis ko maglakad. Yung aso ko, hinihingal na kasi ang bilis ko maglakad. Bully pa naman siya. I'm so sorry if I walk so fast. Is it a bad thing? Should I slow down? Ewan ko. I-try mo i-play lahat kanta niya sa Spotify, ha? Diba maiiyak ka? Pabili po Staples. Sige, bili ka. Anyway, favorite word of the day. Anyway. Bilis ko nga maglakad. Kailangan ko mag-slow down. Going back to my sentiments earlier. Guys, kinakausap ko kayo para ma-comfort ako. I sometimes wonder, ano kaya yung biggest lesson ko in this life? Naiisip nyo ba yun? Like, do you guys ever think of that? Like, what is the biggest lesson you have to overcome in this life? Naiisip nyo na ba yun? Diba? Nag-iisip ko kayo, 10:50 PM na. I am okay. Please don't. Dreams you're broken. Guys, hindi. Nag-uusap lang tayo. Relax. Walang sad. I'm just being sentimental, like I said earlier. Like, I'm being sentimental about life, about lessons, about the purpose of life.
If you would trade your...
So, yeah. Baka naman gusto nyo mag-reply. Pwedeng pwede. There's so much between us. Mish, biggest lesson. Miss Shan, may payo ako, huwag ka na mag-Adele song. Grabe, nagiging malalim yung questions mo. Yeah, Adele is... Hi, Cams. Adele, yung absent ako nun, Shanika, pwede ba iba na lang question? Adele is hitting hard. Sa kantang yan ni Adele, anong unang naisip mo? Oh my gosh. Ano ba? Huwag niyo na akong tanungin ng ganyan. I rarely listen to OPM songs. Like, kailangan sobrang gusto ko yung OPM song para pakinggan ko siya. Although, meron akong mga gusto noon. Wait. Nakalimutan ko lang. Kasi sobrang puro English songs to. Bihira lang talaga ako makinig na OPM songs. Nagustuhan ko at one point yung Some Spades. Telephones by Vacations. Parang alam ko to. Parang na 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 think na na alright na 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 parang katunog niya yun. I love you so I'm gonna end my things and leave them behind. Katunog niya yun. Oh, and I make up. Taka, makinig na lang tayo into Senti songs. Let's be Senti together. Walang... Okay. Okay, eto. Very Senti to. Taylor Swift. Anong thank you? Hi, Jules. Bakit thank you? Hello, boys. Alam nyo, ayoko na nung song na yun. Masyadong, try po Wish You the Best, Lewis Capaldi. Gusto nyo nung masakit na song? Ha? Sobrang bait mo nung nakita ka namin sa Shangri at Piggy mo sobra. Ransom Collective. Hello, Kevin Stacho. Thank you, Tetay. Ransom Collective. Guys, hinay-hinay lang sa request. Ang sarap maging Senti sometimes, no? Seto. Uy, ang cute na to. Cute na to. Ransom Collective. This is, Settle. Art of Letting Go. Wait, this is nice. Save ko to. If you guys want to save this as well, it's Settle, the Ransom Collective. Art of Letting Go, Nino. Alam nyo kung ano yung kasound niya? Kasound niya yung mga kanta sa Favor. Diba? Turn over, I would hate you if I could. I would hate you if I could. Uy, in fairness, ang saya nito na nagbibigay kayo ng songs sa akin. I'm actually enjoying it. Oh, they're so cute. Saved. DJ Shanika in the house. DJ. This is cute. Okay, gusto niyo ng isang masakit na kanta. Bigyan ko kayo ng masakit na kanta.